Hi there, me again. I'm doing a side-by-side comparison using my GoPro Hero 3 Silver as my webcam compared to a Logitech 920C. As you may recall or not, I did make a video using a Canon Vixia camcorder as my webcam, and I did a side-by-side comparison also to the Logitech 920C. You can look at that in YouTube, obviously, but right now it's, again, we're in the pandemic and we're using webcams more frequently than not, working from home, etc. So I was just looking to see what other camera options I had, because my work cameras are not attached to computers, and etc., etc. So I have to find different ways to connect cameras, and I'll make a video later on using Epoch Cam app for my iPhone as my webcam for my Microsoft Surface Pro 7. It works out really nice, very good camera. So let me just show you what hardware I had to get. So I invested in this video capture card at $125. The unique thing about this one, again, it's not a brand name. I was not going to wait for one of those fancy ones. I forget the name of them, but they're out of stock and back ordered. So I got one of these at $125, significantly lower price than the other one. This one has a HDMI out jack in which you can put it to a display, but I don't really use that. I guess I could have gotten by with just a straight HDMI in capture, which goes directly to the computer. Technically it's USB 3 and can go up to 60 frames per second, so it's not too bad. That's what I use for that. Of course, to get to the camera, I had to get a USB to micro USB HDMI to micro HDMI cable at about $10, and then a tripod I got to use with my video camera, my point and shoot, and now my webcam and Hero 3. This is what I'm using, and I got the one with the ball head, which it's very nice actually. If you want to spend the extra money to get it, go ahead, it's worth it. So that was my hardware, and I continued to use my Logitech. I think it's just because it's easier, I don't know, but anyway, this is another option to do it. So I'm going to give you the video from the GoPro right now. I'm going to switch over. There we are, and you can see them automatically. It's darker, it's fish-eyed, but it's wider. And so this may be good for like a conference, or if you're sitting way back and you want to have the entire picture, then that's good. But it's not too bad. Look at that picture. It's good. I keep staring up at the screen instead of looking in the camera. I gotta get used to this. But I'm going to switch over to the side-by-side comparison now, so you can see. So this is what we have, and let me show you as I keep going further back. So this is the span, the width of the camera. If I go further back, it's the width of the camera still. So in times like these, you got to wear pants if you're going to use your GoPro, because it's going to show you the full field pretty quickly. So no video zoom calls with the GoPro as the camera. I'm using OBS software right now, working out pretty good. And the one thing I want to show you too is the little bit of a lag compared to the other one. Okay, see it? And so the capture, I think, is not bad. I'm using a Mac Mini 2014 edition. Just cleaned the drive off of that and reinstalled, so things are moving pretty fast for it. So there you have it. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, put them in the comments and I can answer them. It didn't take too long to set it up. All right, well, take care and enjoy your summer. Be safe.